This is what I've come to. Do I have to move now? How the heck do you work this thing? Just kidding. Hello world and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Listen, it's been a minute, I know. Please yell at me all you want, but life happens. And I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna get back on my grind, because if I say I'm gonna, you know, start posting a lot more videos and I don't, then people will give me shit. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna try my best to post. But I missed you guys. Thank you guys so much for still being here and watching and commenting and supporting and subscribing. So let's just get into this video.
The next morning.
I just got my hair done. It looks darker. Little light pieces are gone. Well, most of them, because it's mid-October. So we need to get, you know, into the fall winter hair, you know? Okay, so I have to go somewhere and I thought I would change up my jewelry, and this really cute jeweler brand called Analuisany sent me a bunch of their cute jewelry. Let's just check them out. This is so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. Like, look at that. Look at that. This is probably my favorite. Oh my God. And these are just like regular hoopies. Please, please, please go check them out, you guys. I will have their Instagram and their website linked down below in my description box, so go check everything out. And there is a 10% off code for the jewelry. It is Adelia10, so use it, please. I am going somewhere, so let's dress me up in some Analuisany. So I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, okay, so I added this necklace on here, so cute, and I added little safety pins, and then I added these ones too. I have the same thing on this side. Like, I added the safety pin and the cute little dangly ones. Oh yes, so cute. Well, I'm ready to go to this event now. Bye. We're gonna go clean my room, or at least we're gonna make my bed this morning, okay? So let's make it. Okay, let's do a little update on my room. I got myself a cute little vanity desk and a cute little mirror. And then I did the little twinkly lights. This is what I have to shoot for Instagram. That's me. Hello. And that's about it. It's still kind of work in progress. I know there's a lot on here, but I just want to keep like adding stuff to it, you know? Yay!
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so I'm cooking the famous TikTok salmon. The rice going right here. I'm about to cook the salmon in the air fryer. Let's do this. Little montage action.
A few moments later.
Hello. Can't really see. Okay, let's just rearrange this.
Okay.
Better. Okay, I'm gonna go get my salmon. Look at my salmon! I think I overcooked it, but it's fine. Look at all my ingredients. Yes, yes. Also, I had to buy the QP, whatever it's called, mayo on Amazon, and it was $13, but it's fine. All right, here, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna crush our salmon, right? Crush it. Looks like this. We're gonna put it in the bowl with the rice. Boop. And then our soy sauce. Put it all. Oh! I got it all over my floor. It's fine. Mayonnaise. Boop, 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 boop. My sriracha. I like to put sweet chili sauce. So good. Oh yeah. And then I cut up some little cucumbers and some onion, green onions, and I just drizzle it on top. And would you look at that? Oh yeah. Let's mix it. Beautiful. And I also just added some avocado. It looks so good. The last thing of the little seaweed snacks. Yay! You guys, so I just woke up and I've been having a little bit of a rough morning. You wanna see it? Okay, here. This is what I'm dealing with. Look at this giant water bubble. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's gonna burst, you guys. It's literally gonna fucking burst. Guys, like, look how big it is from this far away.
12 seconds later.
Update, it burst. Yep. All the way into my bathtub. Is this what life's come to? Do I have to move now? I look beat. But I am doing more things to my room. I'm setting up these cute little twinkly lights above my bed. So yeah, let's just kind of keep going.
Later.
Popular. Why'd you? It mentioned me 4 times in your story.
Twice. Oh, did it post twice? When you want to get a new car, you're like, I want it to be fucking mustard yellow. Like Dijon, actually, is what that color was. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna pick you up. Oh yeah, what's your car? It's that Dijon BMW.
Thank you guys for watching this exciting vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa and their cute little jewelry. I will not be taking them off until I get another cute pair of earrings, which probably won't happen because these are so cute. Their Instagram and their website will be in my description down below, so please go check them out. And don't forget my 10% off code, Adelia10. Use it. I guess I'm gonna go until the next vlog. Bye.
Ever just get like a boner for no reason?
Dude, honestly, I have one right now.